Chair recognizes Representative Taylor to speak on the bill.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Excuse me. I never thought that my maiden speech to you guys would be in opposition to the first piece of legislation that I actually get to vote on, but I find myself here having to do that, and I never thought that I'd be here having to urge some of my friends and colleagues in the majority party that sending folks back some of the money that they sent us is a good idea and that it ought to be guaranteed. But I find myself here having to do that as well. And I want my colleagues to understand what this bill or what the grants actually were designed to do. And I want to thank my chairman of Ways and Means for his explanation of this. I really sincerely have a lot of respect for him. But I just want to focus on one point, and I want to read for you what the Department of Revenue defines as homeowner tax relief credits. They say that it is, quote, the amount applied to reduce the other